Today, I will show you a primary Montessori Practical Life presentation, wet pouring. Choose child-sized pitchers that are easy to hold with two hands. Present slowly, silently, and intentionally so the child can absorb each step. Remember, spills are part of the learning. Show how to clean them up with calm movements. This activity is not just about pouring water. It builds independence, concentration, coordination, and control, which lay the foundation for reading, writing, and practical life skills. Today, I will show you how to pour water. I hold the pitcher with two hands, like this. See how the water pours. It fills the pitcher. Now I can pour it back. Hot tip. It's best to start with clear water so your child can really see how it moves. But if you'd like to capture their attention, you can add a drop of food coloring to make the water even more interesting. Children love watching the color flow from one pitcher to another. Thank you for watching. That was the Montessori wet pouring activity. Simple, practical, and full of learning. Try it with your child today.